Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. What's good? My name is Ashlyn and I am back with another video. For today's look, I'm giving y'all this fall time look. Alright, I'm loving the colors, you know, real autumnish. Alright, Thanksgiving coming up right around the corner. Alright, and be ready to be at that dinner table serving looks. Alright, fuck serving meals. I am the meal. Alright, anyway, I will also be showing you some tips and tricks that I picked up for a full coverage flawless finish. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, continue to watch. But first I want to say, if you like what you see so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, do that as well. And if you want to see how to get this look, continue to watch. I'm going to get right into the video. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I know it's been like a little minute since I made my last upload, and yeah, but I'm back. Alright, and I'm gonna give y'all a look today. So today we just really pretty much gonna wing it, okay? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this eye look. So first palette I'm gonna go into is my Jacklyn Hill palette. The first time I tried this look, I used another palette. Mistake. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Jacklyn Hill palette this time, and the camera not gonna focus, but it's this palette and it's white, obviously. Boom. So today for my eyes, I'm gonna actually try a different method that I do with my eyes. Try different methods, see if it works and whatnot, all that good stuff. Yeah. So I'm going to go and take a small tapered brush like this. I got this one from a set in Morphe, but you can use any brush that you have that you feel will work for this purpose. And I'm going to go into that palette and the face. The first color I'm going to take is, I'm going to mix Chip and Jacks, which is these two colors here. And I'm going to be placing it above where I will be cutting my crease at. So now that I got that color on there, I'm going to go back into that palette and taking a slightly fluffier brush, and I'm going to go into the color Hunts, and I'm going to use this to blend out that darker shade that we just added. So I'm going to take that brush that we used those dark colors on, and I'm going to go and marry these two colors together. Okay, so now that those colors are all blended out, I'm going to go and cut my crease. So I just had a slight malfunction. It's okay. Everything's good, you know, everything cool. But not really. Now my shit a little crooked and I don't like that. Oh, my puppy looks sad as fuck. Okay, anyways. My ultimate goal in life is to achieve a perfect cut crease. Like this one cool, but it's not perfect. This eye is a whole flop. It's really just because this eye is shaped weird. So I'm gonna take a brush, and you can take any brush that you like, okay? No discrimination. And I'm going to go into this color. I'm going to that color Hunt again. And I'm gonna pack it at the corner of where we just cut our crease at and bring it in some. I'm gonna take another fluffy brush and going back into that same palette, and I'm gonna take the color, Creamsicle, which is like the yellow color in the palette, and put it in the spaces that we left, in the space that we left blank, which is near the inner corner. And then the first time I did it, I went and I messed it up because I tried to add some chunky glitter to it, but yeah, that was a flop because that just killed the whole look, and I had to just wipe my makeup off And I ain't even do my makeup again after that. I just said fuck it. Just fuck it. Just fuck the whole thing. Like, I don't even care no more. I don't even care no more. Like, if you ever got frustrated with your makeup like that, comment below, because but now that the eyes is popping, okay, I'm gonna go off camera, do a winged eyeliner. So depending on how I like them, because I never wore 25mm lashes, and these hoes like super long. Like, look how long these things is. If I don't like them, I'm taking them off and putting on some regular ass lashes. But if I do like them, then I'm gonna fly away. Okay, so I decided to do my lashes last, because if I do end up going with the 25mm, I just feel like they're gonna be in my way when I'm trying to blend, you know, and I don't want them problems. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lashes last. Okay, okay. So, you know, your girl gotta go in and prep the face. So even though I already moisturized my face, you know, of course, you know, dry skin, gotta keep that face nice and moistured. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Pond's dry skin cream, and go ahead and rub that in, you know, rub it up. My skin has really been doing well lately, because like if you look on my previous videos, y'all see like I always had breakouts and stuff like that, but it's actually been doing good. Like, I recently just had a breakout, but it's going away. But before that breakout, even then, my skin was perfect. Okay, it was amazing. Okay, but we're recovering now. So for primer, I'm going to use my Maybeline Master Prime primer, and this is the hydrating. This is their hydrating primer. The next primer I use is my from Maybelline. This is their Blur Press Smooth primer. Oh shit, I used a lot. So I'm just take that blob that I put and just put it where my pores show the most at, and just where I want to hide, like where I want to hide stuff. So yeah, which is up in this area. I like on my cheek a little bit. So foundation, y'all already seen it coming. On my next video, I will be switching up, okay? Cause I know y'all probably tired of seeing me use the same stuff. I do got some new stuff I will be using in this video, but for foundation wise, same combo, same old shit. You know, nothing ever's gonna change. You know, same shit every day. Anyway, so yeah, it's gonna be my NARS Longwear Radiant Foundation in the color Syracuse, number medium 1, and then my Dewy Smooth Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the color 315 Soft Honey, and I'm gonna put them together because it's such a lovely combo. So to blend out my foundation real fast, I'm going to go and use my World Techniques blending sponge and go in blend out my foundation. So to go and conceal real quick, I'm going to use my LA Girls Pro Concealer, and I'm going to use this in the color Golden Medium Beige. Medium Beige. So currently I'm trying out new makeup techniques. So this concealer is closer to my skin tone, so I'm literally just using it to conceal before I go and highlight and whatnot. And the reason I'm doing this is, one, for the coverage, and two, to help with creasing. Maybe we're gonna see what it does, but I mean, I hear like layering your concealers and stuff helps with that, because it makes it harder for it to crease because you have on so much fucking concealer. But you know, we're gonna see. So to go and blend that out, y'all, my eye burns. So the other day I woke up and I could have sworn somebody just came in my room and punched me dead in my eye because my eye was swollen. And it went down, but now I got like this scratch under my eye and it fucking burns. So let me hurry up and blend this out, cause oof. So I'm gonna use my setting brush from Real Techniques. Like, I swear, like, I went in my mama room and I asked her, I was like, what I did to you? What did I do to you for you to come in my room while I'm asleep and just sock me in my eye like that? Because I don't think I did anything wrong, at least lately. So now I'm going to go and take my Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the color, in number 20, color Sand. I honestly just guessed with this one. I wasn't sure if this is like my shade or anything. I just picked it up because it was the closest one. Like, the other ones were too dark or they was just too fucking bright. So I got the yellow one because I'm yellow. You get it? I'm yellow. I got the yellow. So anyway, let's see. So now I'm going to take my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. Of course, y'all know I have to come with it because this is my favorite concealer. So anyway, this is in the color medium 2, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to pop it on my face just like I did the other concealers. And I really need to go buy some more of this because I'm almost out. And while I let that sit and get tacky, I'm going to go and apply my contour. So for contour, I've been using my NYX cream contour kit, and I'm going to take this shade here in the top left corner and then I'm gonna take a little bit of the dark brown. Hey y'all, so we have to go and set our face. So today, to set my face, I'm going to be using my Hourglass powder. I got the little travel size version because this shit is expensive as hell. And I just want to make sure I liked it first because y'all know I'm already, like super bright. So, you know, I'm like, what? I'm going to do with some translucent powder to make me look more white and like a ghost. But you know what? It's cool. And the brush I'm using is the number 3 brush from the Itsmyrayeraye BH Cosmetics set. But I actually do like this powder. And I've been liking setting my face like this too. I look like a whole ghost in these streets, man. So to go and contour my face, I'm going to use my Itsmyrayeraye palette, and I'm going to go into the color Mocha. Y'all know I gotta go and snatch my chin because I got me a little double wobble, but. And to cut up under my contour, I'm going to use my Nye Banana Powder. Like that. So back into my contour, I'm going to take this fluffy brush I got that I usually use for my eyes, but I don't know, I like it for contour. And I'm just dusting away any excess powder I have on my face. Plus, I still like my little yellow effect. I'm gonna go back into my banana powder and set my face with it. We'll set my face again using it. And y'all know this is different for me because I don't even like using all this powder, but it's cool. I was finna have a whole fit because I did not know where my bronzer was. So I have no clue where my blush brush is, so I'm just gonna use a random ass brush, and I'm going to go into my Black Radiance Baked Blush in the color Toasted Almond. I'm going to go and set my face with my Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray, which is a waste because I'm gonna take this off right after the video. But anyway, I'm gonna take my highlight from my Itsmyrayeraye palette, and I'm gonna take the color Radiant. Y'all, I just got this fucking wet ass spot on my face, and I feel like it was taking my makeup off. It was! Y'all, hell no. I guess I was spraying too goddamn close. They said, bitch, I'll show you. I like doing that technique that I did for my eyes. It gave me an amazing blend. And I'm gonna also take that color Moonlight, just for extra hee. So we're gonna go and pop on these lashes, and I guess since y'all here, y'all can just stop falling, goddamn. Since y'all here, y'all can just watch me try 25 mm for the first time. One of those videos. Okay. So y'all, Christmas is coming up, and I'm not ready. Cause all my friends want Christmas gifts and I'm broke as fuck. Like, I can't even buy myself a Christmas gift. And y'all want Christmas gifts? That is so selfish! But we're gonna try. We're gonna see how this Christmas goes. Wait, I gotta do the other one. I think I gotta cut mine. These too long. Even though my eyes is crying right now, I have to go and do my under eye stuff. And by the way, I just want to tell y'all that I love it here. Like, yes. Like, bitch, give me length. Give me inches. Yes. Millimeters. Okay. Period, poo. Period. Period. Okay. So I'm going to take that red that we used, that red, I forgot the name of it. Is it called Jax? It's called Jax, alright? Okay. And then I'm going to that orange color, Hunt, that's what it's called. And run that under the red. So for my lips, I'm just gonna go and add some Buxom lip gloss, and this is in the color Pink Champagne. Alright y'all, so that is it for this look. I'm really loving how it came out. I love these colors. I love the lashes. I'm just loving it, okay? Hopefully y'all like this video as well. You found it helpful and or inspiring. If you did, please do not forget to like this video. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, do that as well. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my next video.